Hey guys, today we're going to be making some spicy chicken pasta.
This is the best pasta I've ever had.
Let's get into it. First step, heat up a pan on medium heat. Add extra virgin olive oil followed by finely chopped onion. Sauté until translucent. Now we'll add in the garlic and sauté it for 1 minute. Next, we'll add in the chicken. Sauté this for 10 minutes. We're going to stir this at regular intervals. Now we're going to add in the chili flakes and salt. Mix this until incorporated. Next, we're going to add in some good quality passata sauce and some tomato puree. Mix this well. Now we're going to add in some chopped mixed bell peppers. Now some garam masala and dried oregano. We're also going to add in some fresh herbs. These are parsley and basil. Now for some sweetcorn. This is optional, by the way. Give this a good mix. Now we're going to add in some boiled water and simmer this for 10 to 12 minutes on a low to medium heat. And some black pepper. Add the cooked bow tie pasta to the sauce. Give this all a good stir and combine well so that the sauce adheres to the pasta. Finally, sprinkle a handful of mozzarella cheese. Once the cheese is melted, voila! The pasta is ready to be served. Enjoy! Thanks for watching!